Hello traders, this is Bala here. Today we are going to discuss about swing low strategy. Okay, this is a very simple strategy how to find the swing low of a particular stock. Just I am going to use only one indicator, RSI indicator. Okay, here you have to do one small change. That settings everything I will explain one by one. Time frame is 1 day or minimum 4 hour. Okay, just note it down. Time frame 1 day or 4 hour only. This is for positional strategy only, that only long side, buy side. Don't use this strategy for intraday or short side. Just again I am repeating, time frame 1 day or 4 hour only, buy side only. Don't use this strategy for intraday or short selling. Just I will open that any one chart. I just plotted here two set of RSI indicators. One is RSI 14, other one is RSI 5. Okay, just right now don't bother about RSI 14, I will explain later. RSI 5 is I am going to explain now. Settings, you have to do what? Select RSI indicator, change the period to 5, then overbought 80, oversold 20. Okay, just change the color if required. We are going to use this strategy only for positional strategy only buy side only. Okay, just 1 minute. Settings I change to RSI 5, 80 and 20. Whenever below 20 it is going, you have to look for buying opportunity. Okay, whenever below 20 look for buying opportunity, keep the stock in radar. You have to combine candlestick pattern also for this strategy. Don't only use the RSI 5, don't use the strategy. Okay, you should very well know about the candle pattern also. See here in this candle, this is just I took Bank Nifty for example. It touched RSI 20, 21 is there. We can consider even below 25 also. 25, 25 also you can do changes. Whenever it will come to below 20 or 25 RSI 5 settings, you keep the stock in watch list. Okay, I will tell you where to enter, where to exit, stop loss, everything I will tell one by one. Don't buy immediately. Whenever it will go below 20, don't buy immediately, just keep it in watch list. Look for next day green bullish candle. Okay, see here, next one more bullish candle formed. Above that bullish candle, one more green candle, we have to check it. That is second green candle. Okay, if this first green candle high broke and close means you can take entry on that. Just note it down. Here one bullish candle is there. If suppose one more next day bullish candle means this high broke and close, now you can take trade. But in this case this high was not broken and closed below that. Okay, you can wait, don't take entry. Okay, next day again one more small doji candle, one more small doji candle. You see here one more big bullish candle. This previous day, 2 days back, whatever bullish candle formed, no, this above that it is closing, you can take trade, you can do entry here. Previous swing low you can keep whatever same candle low, you can keep it as a stop loss. In this strategy you can combine 10 moving average also with that, just for entry purpose. Okay, I have just kept here 10 moving average, simple 10 moving average. Whenever if we keep that stock in a watch list, after that candle should close above 10 moving average. You see here Bank Nifty, it came down below 2-3 days, it was trading below that, it is closing above 10 moving average. It is a big bullish candle. Okay, after that you see that from where you entered 18,700. Okay, from there you see almost 21,200. You can buy any call option also, or you can sell any put option also based on this strategy. It is a very good strategy. How to combine candlestick after keeping the stock in watch list, just I will tell that one. Say suppose you can look for bullish engulfing. Okay, see it came below RSI 20, keep it in watch list, look for any bullish engulfing. Okay, that is one point. Or look for continuous two green candles, that is one point. Or open low should be same, any bullish candle with open low same should come. You can take entry on the closing of that particular day, same should be, same day low should be stop loss. Okay, or look for any doji candle, above the doji candle closing the any green, you can take trade on that. Additional confirmation, it should close above 10 SMA. This strategy you have to apply only for fundamental strong companies only. This strategy you have to use for like fundamental strong companies only, like Nifty 50 stocks or any other bank Nifty stocks. One more thing, below 100 stock price, don't take this for strategy. Okay, like penny stocks and all, don't try in this strategy. It should have strong fundamental, like FMCG sector and all, you can take it. Asian Paints, Marico, Dabur, you can take it, those things and all. It should bounce back immediately, that is the requirement here. Okay, you are entering in the 10 moving average closing above or big bullish candle above or open low same candle above that. Okay, same candle low is a stop loss. Target is, first target is 3%. Okay, second target 5%, third target 20%. 10 or 20 you can keep it. 2-3 stocks recently I observed up to 20% it came return. I will explain those stocks also. Okay, this is the strategy friend. RSI 5 settings 80-20 or 75-25, you can keep it. We have charting scanner also for this strategy. If required, you can comment on the box, I will give the charting scanner also. Okay, just now I will explain the ZEAL. One example we will check it. I took 1 day time frame. Okay, see here it came to RSI 20 around July 30 somewhere it came. Okay, July 29, 30, 31, August 3rd. Okay, just in these days you have to keep the stock in radar. Next day, whenever it is forming engulfing candle, see here August 4th it formed a big engulfing candle with the open low same, not exactly same, not similar. Okay, 135.8, 135.6, more or less same. Then it is a big engulfing candle also. Then next day it is closing about 10 moving average, you can take on this closing day. August 5th you can enter around 3:30, you can 3:20, like that you can enter the trade. You see there friends, from where you entered here almost 145, 140, 145 in that range if you enter, see the profit here until 220, how much, almost 80 rupees. Okay, nearly 20% profit. This is the magic of this strategy. You can find the swing low, exactly swing low, you can catch the stock. One more thing, whenever this lower low, then again one more, next day it is opening above that previous day candle close is there, no, this is exactly, it will match the swing low point. Okay, now we will move to Container Corporation of India. See here it came below RSI 20, keep it in watch list, don't enter immediately. Next day you see open low same, big bullish candle, again doji. Okay, or in this above also we can enter trade. this bullish candle low as a stop loss you can keep. Maximum 3% you can keep as a stop loss. See here up to 410 it came, almost 10% it given. 360 to 400 it gave, more than 10% it gave. One more example, I will check it. MFSL. Some network issue, 1 minute. Just 1 minute. See here, 1 day time frame, it came below 20. Okay, when August 17th, next day you see big bullish candle. Almost how many candles it engulfed? 1 2 3 4 5 6, more than some 10 candles it engulfed. Okay, August 18th it is closing about 10 moving average also. Almost entry point is 543, 523 is a, or this is the same day low as a stop loss you can keep it, or below that moving average also you can keep it as a stop loss. See friend, almost 20%. Okay, 540 to almost 640. Okay, you can do paper trade first. Note the stock. In stock edge, one option is there, go to my watch list, you can add this in the stock list. You monitor that, by default it will capture that percentage, how many percentage it increased for particular days, like that it will give that ratio. Whenever candle closing below 10 moving average you can exit average. That is also one more option is there. If candle is above 10 moving average, don't close your position, you can stay on the trade. I will open again Bank Nifty chart now. You can use this strategy for 3 hour time frame, 3 hour or 4 hour. More than that don't reduce it. Okay, see here it came below RSI 20, keep it in watch list. See here on a hammer candle, whenever a hammer candle is forming, next candle if it is closing above that you can take trade. That hammer low is a stop loss you can put, and additionally it is closing above 10 moving average. Okay, see there where we entered here, almost 21,700, it is a 24,500. You can buy any call option or you can short any put option. This strategy is a very good strategy bro, use it carefully. If any doubt is there, just comment it, I will give reply, we can discuss more on that. Even Nifty also you can work in the same way. See here, this date came below 20, next day you see it went this much. Whenever it is coming below RSI 20, immediately don't enter, combine with the candlestick pattern, then enter your trade. Now just I will tell how to do paper trade. Just I am going to open stock edge up. Okay, see here my watch list is there. Okay, you can add your watch list. Just I added here RSI swing low, like that. The stocks and all added 10 days 15 days back. Okay, see here Bandhan Bank, almost 18 days it gave 10%. Our entries 287, it gave 314. Granules also almost 14%. See this and all, don't think that it is in minus like that. Okay, we might have not booked profit, since it is a paper trade, it might have given minimum 3% above that, we have not booked. MFSL it gave almost 20% it gave profit. Somewhere 520 entered, it came up to 620. This all whatever added stocks gave minimum 3% profit, bro. We have not booked in that particular period. Since it is a paper trade, it came down again. This way you can do paper trade initially, how to enter it and how to exit it. Then okay means you can jump into the real trade. Okay friends, I think we can close here. If any doubt is there, you just comment it. Again and again I am telling, comment it, I will give a reply immediately, no issue on that. Or you can call, I will give that number also, my number, you can call me anytime. For this strategy I have some other charts also, and open that charts, you can understand more. See here I just collected some of the charts. Okay, you can use it on weekly time frame also. You have to combine candlestick pattern. Okay, don't trade alone with RSI 5. RSI 5 is just an indicator to find out the swing low point. That's it. Immediately don't jump into the trade. Next, immediately any bullish candle anything forming means or closing above 10 moving average or closing above doji candle or open low same. You have to combine these candlestick patterns, then you take trade. Okay, see here March almost all the stock it came down below 20. Just we will ignore that particular point. Okay, by default March all the stocks it will come down. Okay, that everyone knows due to that COVID situation it fall down more. Okay, see here Sun TV, see somewhere July 23 24 summer it came down almost 20, it bounced back immediately. This is GIL, just now I explained with a candlestick pattern. This for my reference I have kept here line chart. To understand support and resistance I am using line chart here for this particular strategy. It should be on support also, bro. Whenever it is reaching RSI 20, it should be on support also. From there we can expect bounce immediately. Just tell you see here. Okay, summer June 16th summer it came down, it bounced back 360 to 406. See here Relaxo, somewhere August 8th it came down below 20 from 580 to 640. See here Marico, see this is Adani Enterprises. Okay, in July middle it came to RSI 5 below 20, somewhere 150 to 197. Why I am using line chart means to find the support. Whenever it is coming below RSI 20, you can look for the support. See in this strategy after entering, if it is going down means don't get panic. Okay, just wait in the trade only. Okay, if you have more money you can average it. That is the beauty of this strategy, bro. See here it came down below 20, you might have entered means it gave some profit, again it came down, you can enter again, you can average in this particular point. Okay, see here it came here below 20. Okay, again it is going down only, don't get panic, you can average it. See from there it went up. See this is Dr. Reddy's. Okay, in July first week almost it came down below 20. Okay, see there from there how much it increased. You can use this RSI 5, it's for we can use it for exit also. Whenever it is reaching 80 you can exit from this strategy, bro. See here Avanti feed, okay. Somewhere here July middle it came to RSI 5 below 20, okay. This is the area, okay. It is a previous support also is there, okay. Previous resistance will act as a support, okay. From there it went to almost 430 to 500. See here July middle it came to below RSI 5. If you entered here also you can do average here, again it is going up only. In this strategy, one more trick I will tell you. It is a high probability trade, okay. RSI 14 you take it, you RSI 14 70 30 settings, okay. Whenever a stock is coming below 30, it should come in RSI 5 also below 20. RSI 14 it should come below 30, RSI 5 also it should come below 20. It's a high probability trade. Immediately stock will bounce back. See here almost here SBI. RSI 20, RSI 30 also, from here it went out. See here Adani Enterprises in June, it came below 20, it is touching almost RSI 14 below 30, from here to from here, 180 to 270. See, based on that strategy, we can enter in options also, bro. Options also it will give positionally, it will give very nice profit. RSI 5 below 20, enter it here 450 to 750. See here Nifty 3-hour chart, okay. First or second it came to below 20, swing low point, okay, almost 10,900 to 11,400, almost 600 points. See here RSI 14 also it came below 30, RSI 5 also below 30. 1 hour mostly don't use it, okay, just I am giving one example. See here MFSL 3-hour chart, okay, below 20, almost it is touching 20, from here it is raising up. See here ZEAL 3-hour, RSI 14 also below 30, RSI 5 also below 30. This already I explained it with a candlestick pattern. See here VGuard, okay. See here also it came below 20, RSI 5 below 20. If suppose you want to entered here, if you are not booked here profit also, again if it is going down, you can average it in this point also, okay. See, it will bounce back. Ultimately you can exit the trade with a profit. At least one person also you can exit with a profit. You should not be in loss. That is the benefit of this strategy. See here Adani Enterprises, RSI 1420, swing low point, check previous support it is matching or not, from there look for bounce. Okay bro, with this I am completing this strategy. Okay, if any doubt anything, just comment that, we will discuss it more on this. I'll post some more charts in future, some other maybe some part 2 or something, I will post one more video.